Hey, I'm Matthias. Happy Pixel Day. Look what just showed up in the mail. Brand new Pixel 3. Big shout out to Braden for hooking us up with this.
Ooh, it feels kind of slim.
Long and skinny. On the back of these, they always had the sort of the glass inlay, the shade there. It looks like they went to an all glass back and they just have a matte finish on this area. We're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna navigate that because that's been one of our best options, having like an inlay of different wood on the back. I'm gonna pull out my iPhone 10 here. You can see that the Pixel 3 is actually a little narrower. It's just about identical in height, maybe 2 millimeters taller. It's got nice rounded edges. It's definitely slick. Feels like a slight etching or something on the glass there. Awesome to get this in. We've got a lot of requests for this. It's probably our most requested phone this year. So we're gonna be working overtime this weekend, get this thing toasted and get pre-order page up for you guys as soon as possible. So see you guys around.